Oh my God. Let's go for celebration. Bright.
Daddy.
The only advice I can give him is my winning now. We are Bema winning is a stage we don't know about. A massive monitor. The one you mistake. Why? Mother should be bigger club so they can.
Oh, Bright.
Oh, mommy.
Bright. Make us be brave. It's all papa in the Ghanaian now. If we are seeing opportunity comes part one. Until Miss Row. No papa can one. And 4 is abrabo. 2 a massive win perform. Into Miss Row. But ain't a walk. This opportunity when you're in the penny a cousin of the super. Then you occupy a wardroom. It's near can say fairly G-co. When you occupy a case of what in your name. Nafa elijisa brava to you. So as I say, my Bible and you can say, until and then you to champagne a drink. Son of pie will be sing. I don't know. Yes, Shanna.
Yes.
What I say? What are you?
She's okay.
Surprise!
I know what to do for birthday.
Oh yes.
So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my daughter.
Happy birthday to me.
Never shopping. See, what don't know, be a jury. This is all come and invite me now for you. I say, if you hadn't there, birthday baby. What is it?
But let me check out something right. Stand, you know you're so special to us. That's why we have come to surprise you. You earned this cake, you earned the whole day as well. So prepare yourself, go to shopping mall, go to a lot of places. So at the end of the day, you'll be okay. And let's not forget, I've invited you to be part of this party.
Wow! Surprise! So
you're a special person to us, right? Good. Yeah, don't worry. Oh my God. Overwhelmed. Make me feel uncomfortable. I feel uncomfortable. Can be. I I'm sorry. I'm bored. Alright.
Oh.
You're not sitting with it. Hey, girl! I love you. Bye.
Stop dating. Oh, Ali.
You won't believe it. I asked you to wash your healing joints. I have an appointment. You let me go. Okay? Sweetie, I'm okay with let me go. That's fine.
Step by step. Not the pressure.
So what you mean more pressure? More pressure. Oh, you for bano. Oh, you ba. You catch you say. You deal. You won't do. For how long? Let me say with you. Why you done sir? You don't go feel. You don't go feel. What do you go feel? You should go feel. What is that? You don't know what to do ba. You may. And I won't really do ba. Oh, that's what you me. More time. So when why are they? So why are they? We give you natural. It's going to be fattening now. We should do this. Hey, we catch you one second more. Just 2 days. So I'm transformation. I'm premier. Dealer. I'm not refuse. I'm going to be 2 days. Wait to me. Wait to 2 days to confirm now. Wait to me. What time? Let me pressure me. Ella. Wait to me. Ella. Just 2 days. So me won't be here. Just 2 days.
What's in the machine?
Yo! Oh! Yo! Oh! You know what I'm saying?
Airport!
Yeah.
We don't go find them. We don't go find them. We go find them.
Hey. I'm again. What do you for Papa? What? Nita? Osuma, Osuma was a good reading. We look to Papa and Yene.
Every day I'm supposed to catch him. Then I'm supposed to catch him. I say, what's in the good?
I never ate me.
We are back. We are back. Emma,
Timmy, I tell you. So we talk. You could be reading your bottle. You would never see. I don't know. Tell us everything. Hold on. Yes, sir.
Say, what they see, what they say, I will call you didn't know if you are saying.
We can't tell, says, and we will do and we can't make it.
You are so there. When you make a sour them, now we are money to a chimney. I'm just a brand job. Now, never. What dress is says a pair when you compare ma. Now, maybe no one if you are the unity. Ninja,
it's not fun will come.
What you pay na mami? What's all your people say players of people? What's all your help here? Now, Papa, with my womb. But when I tell them, one mark on money, no, I will see. What they say is having many now. What's all your mark on my way is that? Ah,
this all comes of me. Enemy one. Me, enemy from Sika. And the woman, the children, quiet, never saw me use Sika. So, about the BBS to Bema, and the question for Successor. What you say? Okay. What you?
No, and then I'm not going to put you fiancé. What's all your address in our pay? What do you say? You are supposed to say Mr. People, say Mr. Book was a penny. I know I knew. I know for the years you want today. Oh, fiancé, we know about your salary. All the catchers on the castle. We do not be slain up. I guess.
We can't just say. Wow, to see him. What you say? Oh, good and was it? Actually, if you have for. Oh, good and was it actually if you have for. What is it? Which you say? And neck, oh, catch them said. We are in that. Oh, catch them some yaring out. And Quavana, we found. I send you through and we'll catch them. You will receive your record. You will receive your record.
Oh, I mean, now, Gratin now, What's right in our side? CCTV. What do you mean you don't catch? We can't make that channel.
It's Papa that Asante life no that.
One jai. I'm not saying I'm not proud of you. Now you come on.
What is one pounds? Now we are here to I joined in Amish community. My manager, my sister, he said our problem we bring it here before explaining it to them so that they will know how to help us to get the money. So explain it to them.
What? There is this guy I'm working with, and he took my money away. The amount is $50,000. So I want you guys to get it for me.
$50,000. Don't you worry. We will get your money for you. But it's 50-50.
No problem.
I Africa want no problem.
Boss, my patch of Wadaroma. You did Juma Labro. And now, what can you obey? They are 3 hours. Now, I am. Now, because it's going to be 50-50, $25,000. Opinion in this Kakutwa, African, they won't. It's can work. Into the one card, you're not in Chiamaka. Now, this kind of my name.
Hey, I'm Bizawasi. Bahano Bijuska.
Actually,
Imurasakwa. Lucky, no lie. And Mutumurasi. Sa 50-50. Semunti Mintuya. Bibian for Brian. Asante.
Sister, he said by force reaching time, you collect half of it. If you agree, you go do. If you don't agree, you should pass where we come from and go our home. So, are you agree?
Okay, but I don't have a problem with that. I'm okay with the price.
You're okay with the price?
Yeah.
$25,000.
It's okay.
Yeah, don't show. It's a Sunday blessing this man. It's not any scabby play.
Really?
I want to show you. Stop having you. But also, what says?
Yes, picture.
Yes.
Bring it. Now, give us $10,000 before you leave.
Right now. So, what shall I say?
So, that means we have to have the kind of...
Okay. Well, this guy will come to me. And what can I do? Okay, see.
Was the town suit into your pocket. They are the one who will issue your money.
Watch over. I'll say the lemon. And the way now was squad in school. I'm in to make us. I said, I didn't go some master. I want to make. Well, risk $50,000. That's what we should be free. That's a monk to pay. No one needs to. I want to see it. In the end, it was $10,000.
Maybe I say, I am a chain. Oh, tea. Be a minute. Why?
We never say we need an answer.
Call me out. Call. They make a war wishing their man in a place. Toronto. You are Toronto, dear. That's how
Sample of the
Hello, man. How are you?
Who is you?
Marsuel.
Yeah, more security, other action. Because once a manager of 3 houses, yeah, that's a baby was out behind. So, I see a party here according to Tebea, if you ever get it, yeah, beginning, warning each other. Because when you said I make action, there's some union.
What for the baby here?
Oh, baby, papa, dear.
Yes. What? I'm swapping. What was that cut again?
Mr. Karina, me fuck say, oh man, fashion. I didn't know I wouldn't be more to say. I just run away with me. I had the idea. I'm a flower Papa,
so we get a new year. Yes, I don't do it, Papa.
Clear off.
Hey, Mr. Book.
Mira, I'm fine. She knew what
was that? I'm a semi-diagra.
What the idea?
What's what you did?
Mira,
Wait. We want to take Ghana cities. What's on America?
we
want to take Ghana cities. We want to take Ghana cities. What's on America?
Hey, Mira, you went over. Oh, what do I do? You could get one year, but I can't listen to me. Pet the dead and you couldn't anymore. Whoop, you're going to and rather take it in our papera. Most of the one you and must be paid. One will send the one, and I'm out the one.
Please, the famous Mr. Book, your family, and your education. You go up your power one tip for church and mama, family planning, a company for some better was. And after so many good eyesight, we give them spectacles to improve their eyesight. So watches. Until you go anywhere, you go anywhere to crack. I idea is something to say, you got 20 years. So I said, it's all about family planning and good eyesight.
Hey, maybe I wouldn't need to buy you.
Eyesight.
Wouldn't need to buy what she need here. Wouldn't need to buy it. Only when you know they go. So
Mr. Book,
Mommy,
oh, she need that much.
where did the American show?
that's a proportional way.
Master, just an American, international.
Listen, it's you that I know. I need my fucking money right now.
Yeah.
Just get my $10,000 for me. No, don't talk to me like that. I need my fucking money right now. No, wait. Who the fuck you think you are? I don't give a fuck about your boss. I need my fucking money. No.
It's nice to meet you. I said, what do you do about one thing? What is happening?
No, what is happening? What's happening? I need my fucking $10,000. Right now.
Asante, na make us out of we are so crying about the job now. I'm our clients. So what's there? Asante, just pass it on the name and our line. Just get look at the phone about this time. Look at the job.
You can't stop me here. Nobody.
Come on.
Don't touch me.
I don't know what is happening for you. I think something. No! I don't know why. These two fucking cockroaches came to my house to insult me because of $10,000 fucking dollars. Why? Answer me!
Please, I'm sorry. I don't want the money anymore, please. Please, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
You can keep the money if you want to, please.
I don't need your fucking money again. Yes, what you did is insult. You disrespect me as a first Ghanaian. So, one first Ghanaian. What do you want to come out? Be tell me, You deserve to die!
Listen! Please don't kill us! Please!
Anytime we are business, it's much to say, but me from so
that's foreigner and the Ghanaian who want to die. Who? What's the choose one?
No! Kill the Ghanaian!
I said choose one!
I will even add more money if you want to. Please leave me.
Shut up, foreigner! Shut up, foreigner! I don't need your money. You deserve to die. I accept it. Gaddafi, boss, Ella, get ready for these people.
this thing is not.
Hey, shut up, shut up. Shut up!
And this time I'm talking plenty people that come before like this.
Joy!
Taylor.
What is it?
Yes, I know.
If you say, one for any dear mommy, and I will do you about fear.
Taylor, what's it? I am home, any machine. Such a me. Sinamafu, a bit sipping, so wait, I go for the same. Taylor, who will come here now?
Who is everything you
Taylor, we go to talk with you.
Appointment my fault! Let me tell you something. And I'm any year of family. We couldn't now. No killing is my hobby. Yes. Give them fire! Give them! Now you try to get this again, okay? Because you are a foreigner. You are supporting your sister foreigner. Why? If you do that fucking thing again, I will let Ella be a job for you. Okay? Yeah. You see, the me here, I don't found. Me say I make a child, and also with you. Aye. If we say blog about yes. Also, soon say woman we liberal. Skako pay ni na no. Here dia. Na 10 o'clock exactly. Baba discount. Aye. If it's a woman liberal, it's cannot compare my exactly 10. No about this cannot. We say, me di win ya. Na me anka sankasa no. Nni. Eti de me catch no. Enna, I was a buti. Yes. I, me so we liberal. It mo ko ni na iskano e dia. It's a tenor and they have a discount with you. Alright. Yes, yeah. Look, I said, catch you say informative. Yeah, filming, information. Yeah, I'm location, the beer. Okay. It's a mount. When I'm ready, 10 o'clock. You move up. You don't need to answer to. Okay.
Yes, but this people, I didn't think the Alabama about. You see, I must. It's a command here, the sacred. Oh, maybe. Now we're okay with it. Someone may tell me what to make the idea name and the wolf. Just 7,000 for what? the circle. Let me give it a check. Yes, I check here. We grab my tram and apples. What is it? What's up? Sir. Oh. Grace is here. C'est aussi ça.
Somebody can catch us your procedures. So we said I'll check next week. Madam, that's what I said. I have to do it. Madam, I have to do it. To me. I have to do it. That to me with me, madam. Honey.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
We are seeing Reho not to me. Why in a mini bediagro? Why in a meeting bed, Jimmy? And Why should I can show some commissions and make quite you are? Spend the mirror with them on the mirror. Who dear me, spend it. Let me for crancy, what's it? Let me for crancy. Not your dear, also. Monsieur Kusa. Monsieur Kusa. The shaker. The American said. Nyame eni nipakrobedi. Nyame mseme nyame tiasi etie. Oni nipakrobedi nyonyo. Spendi daye. Spendi drie ni amani hunu. Nyame emfansi.
Incidents this year. Now what?
You, and Mamma Quaba. In so jadi you go any higher boko. Say, let me see ye and Capa beer in here. As I see it, let me near.
Okay, now what? I will find
Mrs. Tabby wedding. See, we could gentlemen go to
now, incidents this year no more from.
Oh, we see ya no more free me. But now, baby, I'm a woman, and I have a more, and I'm a million so we with my children.
Who call you know the how many days?
1 week time,
now, now they can be suspicious movement be a cause at the car cause that I said,
Joe, you are with us, baby. There be there. Sunset we are company can see. It's great near tight. Open to remember room may yap on it for some say. Now, some way, Nanka said, go yes. Since we remember baby, a free, a buy.
In connection with the robbery, meaning within that time, one major.
Oh, Papa, me a Ghanaian. Many chimney, me young. What get you also so many pa? A day of a mamma who finds some of one of his ammo, Mabby couldn't be patch me, Juman, now say me, Juman, a good Juman who feel.
Sadano, if I do send an anti counter.
Oh, yeah, can't all day, ladies to know. I want to see one about hands or Modosu. But back sorry, I'm not got job lunch at their bounce a ham. When you're drinking beer, just say, so what you have an is in the cheating about.
That's it. Why my more of the information? Instead of the Kaka said, the public also has a role to play. As a time when my farmer, the actions of more suspected if it's another one. Now, meaning some more CCTV recordings were okay, the advice and watches and CCTV recordings.
Yeah, maybe so. You will be a recording, be a bay in a day, be a way. And no crying to no more friends, say, say yes. Mambo himsanse semete ha no bi twade o ho ni ho bet mi hwede na wa ha na ekoso bi ya me hu wa ha ti na mama mambo na me ba ya me ba be share unfortunately when na di bi ahye wo mani mu a wo hye de hu wa ni se ni pass me but ni na wa ha
right manager ya be tanda was is what the persona you edisa. The mission is a copy of the CCTV recordings. So they are getting a speedy up our investigation because so the public has a role to play in crime.
Yeah, true. Call me in film media. My baby sat. One back on a company.
Alright.
First information out of my
Right, so the colleague in the class. They was a one the public, the public has a role. There are rules and regulations in this country. I am my engineer force. The public also have to play a part. The better as now, you perceive a call anymore. I am making an incident to see.
Oh, yeah. Any, my painting when you know, Miss my dear back with them. If I'm from why what it's a company anymore. Was Mamma in train. She'll see ideas. Some of them didn't kind of come. Marsuel, why, since I say, why you move your hat. So, you see, me, I guess I'm going to catch you. Let me have it to wine. And my girls hand wash a hand, and any of the one back. So, what in kinds of matters is more behind him, say that. To Marsuel, why, since if it's a bit managed, you may pure water clubbing fair, you had. I come to say a bit cool, and there are two ways, and I say it to my reputation. Marsuel, why, what?
Let me assure you. Civil matters and information is out there, man. It will go a long way to help us. But the person who is a fine faculty in science and business.
Yes, what I say.
Much
of my money.
Right.
But your hands.
But you know what count on that day. You be here. Just give me a call.
And I'm a friend of
no, I'll report you to duty. Just call me.
And no quite the man in your problem. Even at all, it could be 7 man share your office.
Right. Okay. Thank you very much.
Madam Fubio, right? Yes, to those scammers so what Maria and I'm going so and I'm about this. Now, any be anti mammy from now. We know any Jew. Very fair. And the mammy from why? Nice. But where did you?
We are nice.
Wow. Yes, for my day, you will see a near you. I don't know what I'm Madam, oh, but your mother.
Is it better to for the drum?
The mammy fell down for
Cinema, Pajama, Hawaii. Let's all cover those ones.
The more we are since you can be piano. I'm now for the moon here. No, let me see.
Come, it's Madam
Yes,
Not to go here.
oh, see, I didn't. Now, what's your mammy?
I'm not moving from my wife.
When I was telling you,
Why? Tell me, she and come on. Yes, me be a piano. What a crumb family, no pass them in Remy. What do much?
Mamma Ban would do that. They are separate. Many incidents.
Come on, Yami. Tell them to take a milk. They may be to so much. Chef for me. Chef na Ghana, the whole Ghana. You know me cry and move. And the chef from China na me na mdeba.
Oh, when it's
If I did, if it is pain to swim in a bench.
okay.
If to say mobile, ya, Missy Crammy, mammy, I'm going to do Kumono, Miss Meniachi.
Chef for much.
Yeah, chef from China, chef for a more dear you, I'm a crabber. Oh, what is it? Yeah, me deal.
Oh, dear, why wouldn't
you number? That's what I'm saying. I'm going to be Adam Ness, that's him out for Musha Musi. Come on, by
It is all right. Yeah, baby, kind of as I said, I'm also share a area for my Jumamo, Yamisham. Now, the free see at the head of this. A case be a chief for the week. Yes, robbery case be a see one of the Patricia. Medical mommy boys will order that. It's a mediation, I may be some confirmation from you as a doctor. Now, the case, there has been a trace to the case because there was gunshot. But the letter I'm attending is there was a slash with a knife, presumably a knife. Now, once I would take in charge of some case, my person may take one. I confirm my mom say if something of that sort happen here, because case I be
Chief said they were telling sanity was a car was shed away out with this kind of 2 o'clock minimum. Then in pa. So I try my best, man, I'm safe but according to said it in sanity. But the one thing I want you guys to help me to get the listing because one more thing, mommy.
Like you said, Nick is my personal best friend. Well, we are like brothers, though we come from different parents. And the case has weighed him beyond, it has overtaken him a lot. And the same applies to me as well. Although I'm not taking the case because he happens to be my brother or like a personal friend. But I'm taking because those people that doesn't want to work a legitimate and legal work, they will take the law into their hands and using all sort of backyard sorts, using to go and fish for what they will eat. We are going to run those people down. With my men, we'll get to the bottom of this case, definitely. They said they make perpetrators, to the necessary and legitimate sentence if that requires
from the system. I don't know how, you don't understand. Because you just look at the little girl, Akulawi, who couldn't know why they are being we are then.
But me here, baby Kakao, reporter don't confirm, say he was a cat.
Oh, I know any problem.
When I demand to prepare my mommy boys, and as a member, we have a going to report. Mr. Nick, we have 4 suspects. Take your time. Look at them very well. And mind you, forget about something that has happened way back. If any of these guys were perpetrated, then let's concentrate on the current issue. Please look at them well and let us know or identify the suspect. Are you ready to go? Identify the person.
Who's the number 2? Who killed my daughter?
Which number?
The number 2.
Which number?
Number 2.
Mr. Nick. I've already forget about something that has happened way back. Are you sure of that person? Number 2. Are you sure of it?
Yes, it's the number 2. I took off his marks. I fought with him.
Mr. Nick is alright.
I fought with him.
Mr. Nick.
I fought with him.
Right, Mr. Nick. Look at that person very well. Look at him. Are you sure it's the number 2?
I'm saying don't have it and he killed my daughter. I fought with him. I took off his marks.
Nick. Mr. Nick. Right. Please be assured of what you say and be honest here. Don't let us send an innocent person to a place that he doesn't know. Please make sure you identify the right person. That's why I'm asking for the 3rd time and the last one, Mr. Nick. Are you sure he's the one? Mr. Nick, be honest here. Answer me.
Yes, you did it. He might be killed. Let me go kill him.
Nick.
Let me go kill him.
Mr. Nick, listen. The law will take it. We don't allow people to take the law into their hands. That's why we have rules and regulations that governs the country.
Wait for me.
Nick,
You will see me.
I don't like your threats. You are taking it too far. Can you take your door?
What has happened is already done, so you need to calm down. And I said, it's all powerful because you cannot do anything dear meeting me, I can't show you. Say, you need to calm down because they see me. When them say, yeah, but you know, if you kill yourself, pride, it doesn't matter. I didn't paper back, no. And draw now, much your children. It's all more than enough because you're losing. Oppression is so costly. Now, I don't think that will help. And you see, you know, saying, yeah, but, you know, Dr. Edward, to be honest with you, some pressure because you, some lose some diabetes, some hypertension. I don't give a damn to that. The most important thing is that I have to lose my daughter, my beautiful daughter, the girl that I love so much, the girl that I've loved and lavished for. She's no more. She's nowhere to be found. You expect me to relax and smile to you, for Christ's sake. But let me try to say, so if she's no more, what do you expect me to do? I call her me PFF as some of people category have a blessed day. I mean, it's more than billions. We're family doctor here because I decided to send me for the alcohol. And I'm so new hunting about. I wouldn't have even given the audacity to even come to my house. Yes. Maybe I'm very fine. Okay, but Jesus Christ! What did Jesus mean? What is this? Inspector.
It is a. Right. Hello, Pedro, my friend. bonnet. Case na nanusu. I got throughout the case. But said them catch we are lacking evidence. So that me no kaya kusi says to me and my so concrete evidence. We can just stand on that and prosecute that guy.
Inspector WÖKASA, when you said under normal circumstances, you say incident requires us in movement and still have you people's case with the act of force. In your ample of time, your proper investigations, one after the other, each week, each week. But here comes the case, meaning the Pana make a crime, which red-handed. May you mask affinity so. Obeying because he was part of those gangs who came around that very day. It's MMP. So you can't make good use of your office to take decisions until certain when you have evidence. I don't think what you're telling me is right.
WÖKASA, WÖKASA. When you can't hear, it's me a carpet, a Juman, a Mrawum, a city market. For the fact that we know we are not just a people of Kenyan, we cheered in our Debbie and me, Massa. You know, sir, me know ye near Sanka. The people who are meeting me here, I followed the law and my prosecutors have come ahead. All the same, don't worry. Today is Monday. So you leave it with me. I'm going to use what we have in our law, and we pursue that suspect. And let's see up to Friday.
No. Did I hear you right? Friday? I'm sorry, Friday is too far. I can't admit it. Friday is too far for me. And you should know the situation I'm in. You should know the condition I'm going through. I'm talking about my lovely, beautiful daughter who have spent so much
with me. You
don't share my sentiment for Christ's sake. You don't do that. If you feel the situation I'm going through, you would have told asked me to wait till Friday.
Take this easy, okay? I've already said that we are like brothers, though we're from different mothers. Okay? But this is beyond my control.
But I don't think you're part of those fiestic CID offices. Right? You're not part of. I don't think you're part of those.
Yes, rules, so I follow rules.
It doesn't govern the relationship between me and you. Because, for Christ's sake.
We are like brothers. If I had the power to prosecute that guy, I would have done it earlier.
Oh.
In Ghana, there are rules and regulations.
Then sometimes it doesn't work.
It works.
It doesn't work.
It works.
You can go to me.
You and I will make it work.
Oh God.
Okay? Don't worry. Like I said, I'll do my best.
I'll take it for the benefit of that. If you're telling me to wait up to Friday, fine. I don't have anything to say again.
It might be.
Evidence, with proof. What do you mean proof for her? What do you mean why you come? It's a why you want to be painting here. And you make, and I say, and you why walk, and be painting, and she want to say. It's me baby, she wants she will be walk. And the baby report cool, and be ready. And you proof for yourself. Proof for the baby. Me, you never managed to you with that.
Honey, you was me be a my young coach them. Cassibi was a WÖKASA. And you may be also me prove. But still, court in provision is from evidence. Minute your person with me poco. bay. Me a mass in Trinity. But still, the court is still proving difficulties. I don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do, honey. No.
They prove you're right. A person is not prove you're right. You don't go to water. Because we're going to wait to make your credibility for the wounded.
When the situation became tough, they thought we might get it going. So call me a deal. Or someone who said there is something that can prove it's right. I can't allow such an innocent girl to be killed and buried without knowing who killed her. Honey, please, just give me some time.
Time? Because of the man some time. But it's not proof for what? Send me a mouth. And then you're too late to say that the man some time. What can I say? Because what's in done? What's in done? I just don't know. To make some time.
I love you so much. I know the pains you're going through. And I'm also going the same through. Whenever I see you cry, sweetie, I feel so bad. I have nothing to say than to tell you, give me some time, so that the Lord will take its control. I love you, please. Give me some time, okay? Please.
So, which is which? I've gone through this CCTV and still the possibility for us to see any of this kind has been minimal. CCTV. It wasn't on a sequential, but it's too early for me to jump into conclusion and say there have been some alteration. But those are questions just a suspect, and we need some concrete evidence to prosecute that guy. And if locally we can get evidence. But the problem now is, you know, Nick is like a brother to me. I mean, we've been there for ages, so just like me, just happened that we come from different parents. And if I don't do something about this case, Nick might be thinking that I'm one of those guys who just take something behind and just forget. But to me, I'll show to him that I'll get to the bottom of this case. And it won't happen that I'll take something and I'll just look at this case and case we've done. No, the integrity of this institution must be preserved. So definitely I'll get to the bottom of this case.
Boss, you know what? Once I don't say I'm suspecting my interest. The way I drew office now, not chappy. No. There is more into it. You have to.
The temptation is that, sometimes people say all sorts of these things just to, undermine our institution. But, like this is what we have, and we must preserve it.
Okay, well.
So definitely, I'll get to the bottom of this case.
I know you are trusted too.
Innocent child, innocent daughter of mine is nowhere to be found now. Just because of a real self-reference upon somebody. Nima everything. Many pressure in Wakolano. Obana tete me. Afime hudi me. Me pia kwa juma onina insurance me kumiso na mako. Now Spendilove is no more where to be found. Wherever you are, Spendi, may your soul rest in perfect peace. May your soul rest in perfect peace. I know it's my duty. I know it's my wish. And I know I have to fight for my right. Now my daughter is no more. It's my duty to fight into revenge. I don't blame my wife for all the accusations accusing me. I know my wife is right. She has to push forward. Now our daughter is no more. Still we have to fight for a right. For whoever killed my daughter. So fight. So be in the same situation. Either both alive or dead.
me and you're stepping out of my business. Mama want to second just like that.
I'll fit it like I should, man.
Huh?
I'll fit it like I should.
Debut, why did I catch it? Why not mine?
Hey. I know how to take my job. Listen, WOKASA. If I want to know, offer me congregation. Yeah. So say it's us now, we have a meeting. You know what? Said you wanted to see what is it about?
Yeah, I said look, you are like a brother to me. I want you to be honest with me. You know me. If it's yes, perfect yes. If it's no, no. I don't want ABC. But the point is, and I want you to be honest with me here, okay? I've heard that the suspect guy is no more. Is being killed. I want you to be honest. Do you have any foul play in it?
Did I heard you right?
Yes. Because I want to be fair and I want to know where I'm heading towards. It's unfortunate that this guy is no more. Because I wanted to prosecute all those people involved. But I want you to be honest. Okay? If you have a foul play, just let me know and know what to do. But if you don't, then I know where to head towards. Mami,
Mr. Man, to be honest with you, I'm not disappointed in you.
See,
I'm not disappointed. I never knew you've taken me as a murderer, for Christ's sake. Somebody who has even killed my daughter, which of course we are all trying to see to the things to work out. How would I even go to instead of killing him? For Christ's sake, I can't do that. It's because of the issue. You made me to break all the rounds, my child for the day.
Calm down. Calm down, okay? You know what has been going on in the system that CID people, police people are taking. No, I'm not the kind of, and I'm serious that those activities that people has been doing will not be in the system. But I want you to be honest.
Let's proceed. But to be honest with you, I never knew you've classified me as a murderer.
You people can say anything, and he has taken this, he has taken this. But I wouldn't say you are bad. But I just want you to. It's between me and you.
Christ's sake, why should you go ahead and make those kind of comments? Once you know very well the person who killed my daughter is the one we are trying to use the opportunity to perpetrate and get all those people who are involved into this issue. And he is no more, you are asking me who killed him?
I'm just asking.
Don't just ask, because if you want to know who killed him, you better go to Jesus Christ and ask him who killed him. Excuse me. Nick. Olha, beira faz o mulher. É assim. A não tinha seu Sudão. É na beira o Ivan. Me dá. Me dá. Piano. Me não gosta. Ela sai do aí. Não sumo. Você vai me miar na procura de mãe. Você ia te assim. Na minha nem firmeza. Ya. Sabe? É minha. Sabe? Eu não sei o que mas minha ali. Minha não coopera.
Okay, Bella has died.
Cheerful. With much in the choir. You're a fast way. We suggest Salman. Yes. And when you promise, I'll be promising you. We promise I'm ready now. When you wanga abunaba kanina biraba be yi kwana cin kafarin shi saboda ni na zo da shi mun ga kungiya yanzu ya kamata ci abinci ba bera wani mu duba annun abu ba bera mu duba annun dama ba bera wani damdan iska shi ya kashe min kanina amma ni tela ga promise ne sai da bera wannan da iska ne kashe kanina bera zan sabbata shi zan kashe shi da yayin shi da famin shi duka zan kona gidansu mai haka kanina bera shama billah ya je kwanta cikin kabarin shi cikin shiru ni ba zuciya na ya min san duk inda zan je abin da zan yi kenan tun da ta yi ni shi na yi first of all, Peter, rest in peace. We live together, die together. And I love you too. We die together. Why you give me like that? No, why you retire like this? And so what? I don't know. No. Why you give me like gaja? No. Are you a gaja? No, I'm not. Is that? No. It's working. Let's go. Go. What do you want to do for you? It's not sure. What's our friend? The generation will get me. The challenge is sure. I'm saying a get me. Who's our friend? Generation. I don't know you. Don't know me. Why you pestering me? Why you bothering me like that? The dear which you don't know. And then it was quite here. I'm telling you, but who knew you doing what? I make us in the job. Every this time, we see him right. Now, family, we come as she will now see. I'm not coming to my uniform now. And what base? We never go to police. Yeah, police. And for police, and wow. Who the police don't grab a west? We go to present official. You say 1 hour is handed 1 hour here. And no, Master, you can choose to go to hell. You can't do anything to me because I've not done anything to you. Who am I with you? Who am I with you? Makana. Shit. This is not the way to go. What are you? I said don't go out. Tell him
121.82.
It's alright. It's alright. No, it's okay. It's okay. Come in. Okay.
We are okay. We are okay. Yeah.
Now, I'll get to know.
Oh. Hello. So we are okay. Mommy, we are fine.
That's it.
What did you?
I'm not alright.
Oh, come on,
oh, I'm so female ones.
Mama, okay. No. Expect this with quite a condition. So, be okay.
Okay. Yes, in my work. Female word until if I said dog on the time when
we are not office.
Look, that's it. Bye bye.
Officer, watch on person near
Son. Papa, told me near WƆKASA. Incidents BC. Yes. And this has led to this. I'm Robertson.
And he did this to him?
Yeah. Now,
how can they do such a thing? At least they didn't meet you here, you say.
Mama Joe, incidents BC. What I said. And I'm leading to this. So let's forget about that. Now, investigation is underway. Investigation. What I say? Yeah, who said due course?
But what do you mean, yes, sir? They can't do this. This is wickedness.
I know, but it's happened already. Okay. Togo, don't take the law into your hand.
Because if I don't see anything, I'll take the law into my own hand and just do it myself.
I say my man go to America, and I also did my best.
Watch it.
Yeah.
Watch it. Hey.
See, this all happened because Dad. And maybe you're naked to or back to shopping. Yes. And during the shopping, there was the same armed robbery scene. Okay? And unfortunately, Ketuano is free. As some me take key, as some no on personal ground. Mikusuya investigation. Okay? Etimi identify the guy.
Very good.
You go
very good, doctor.
Oh, Dad, me kasachena one team futu. And you can say all the time you fat and running saying Sasa.
But you into meet me home. How can I see them or how can I know?
Don't worry, the law will take its course, okay?
Okay.
You see any Yana Ama we have an say. You go to your investigation, Papa Fisa Yache. But it's not a day thing, it's a procedure and it takes time. And just say, Okoni number, Biano Pico, be so a suspect in Tiana or no. We have to do investigation. During the course of the investigation, your dad took the law into his own hand.
Maybe it was taking too much long time.
That's what we always say, but the law must work. All the time, you can't say law works in this country. Okay? And you can say all the time, you follow on the science. Now, I didn't say the law will take its course. Now, see what has happened to your dad. Okay? If you don't listen like him did, then you are going to end up like this. And I don't think you want to be end.
There's no way I'll end up like that.
But let the law work. Okay? So there.
I really want to hear something from you.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Yes,
your dad is like a brother to me. Okay? And as I said, I share that friend. I catch and say, if you son was who knew me. What I say? And I could see. And to just take easy. I know it's hard for you, and it's not easy for me either. But as a man, sometimes we have to swallow what we can't. I'll give you a call. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, all the best. Patient now that the last row in the male's ward.
Okay, don't you know now?
Nihun hear me pa. Me a CID from head office. Na me pese monitor na mami. Because that person needs to be alive for the rules and law to work. Okay. Na see an only family member be a cannibal. The perpetrators can disguise themselves and come around. Marsuel, don't allow anybody to visit him. With the exception of Nibawi and Asante. Marsuel, decide you man. Now, those people know more yes and your man, so that we can bring them to books.
The phone number, I guess you know from.
Okay. 0244
0244
87
787.
Yes. Thank you. In due course, remember when you all the information. But for now, let's observe for that better. I know you have Mrs. here, okay? I know you are good. So don't worry, and don't take the law into your hands. Take advice from me if you want to do anything. But I'm hoping, and fingers crossed, for more decide you. Will catch them, and the law will deal with them. Okay? Don't worry.
then was out.
What are you doing? Somebody can someone. Some voice.
Yes, somebody
What am I going to say? How crowd